Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best electric scooters for adults on Amazon. Anyone in urban centers will be familiar with the rise in popularity of adult electric scooters. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Gottrax GXLV2 Commuting Electric Scooter. If you're looking for a super budget-friendly model, consider the Gottrax GXLV2 Commuting Electric Scooter. It's hard to believe just how much this scooter packs in for its price point. Its 250-watt motor brings it up to a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, with a max payload capacity of 220 pounds, and it can tackle hills with a gradient of up to 14 degrees. For anyone looking to commute on an electric scooter, this model's innovative portable folding design makes it a breeze to store in your office or an overhead compartment. Its high-capacity 5.2 Ah battery gives it a range of up to 12.5 miles. What we like about it? Super affordable. Lightweight and easy to fold. Ultra-bright LED headlight. What we don't like about it? Shorter total range than some other models. Small tires. Number 2. Segway Ninabit Max G30P. There are long-range electric scooters, and then there's the Segway Ninabit Max G30P. This scooter has an astonishing 40.4-mile range, courtesy of a massive 551W battery pack that takes 6 hours to fully recharge. Segway hasn't dialed down this model's speed to achieve an extra few miles. Its 350W motor, which peaks at 800W, gives it a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour and allows it to climb hills with gradients up to 20 degrees. Front and rear anti-lock brakes ensure the Ninabit Max comes to a hassle-free stop. This scooter is loaded with high-tech features like cruise control, selectable riding modes, and LED display, and Bluetooth capabilities. What we like about it? Super long range. Equipped with high-tech features. Can tackle 20-degree grade hills. What we don't like about it? Expensive. Not many color choices. Number 3. Hiboy MAX3 Electric Scooter. The Hiboy MAX3 electric scooter deserves a nod for being an excellent middle-of-the-road electric commuter scooter. It's equipped with a strong 350-watt motor that gives this model an impressive top speed of 18 miles per hour. It's able to tackle grades up to 15% and can go up to 17 miles before needing a recharge. With this scooter, you also get 3 separate ride modes that allow you to customize your commuting experience. It's got the standard maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds. One thing we like about this scooter versus some of its competition is the decently sized 10-inch self-healing pneumatic tires. These dual-density wheels are wider than many and can even withstand several punctures and keep on going. What we like about it? Large, self-healing tires. Good top speed of 18 miles per hour. Respectable range of 17 miles. What we don't like about it? Heavier and less easily portable than some other models. Doesn't do well on steeper grades. Number 4. Segway Ninabit E45 Electric Kick Scooter. If you're a career commuter, the Segway Ninabit E45 electric kick scooter deserves your consideration as it features dual lithium-ion batteries that boasts up to 700 watts of power. This gives you a respectable top speed of 18.6 miles per hour and a range of up to 28 miles, making this an ideal option for urban streets. It offers a max rider weight of 220 pounds, and the 9-inch wheels and front suspension are a great setup for navigating city streets and roads with ease. The non-pneumatic tires are tough and maintenance-free, allowing you to travel for miles without issue. What we like about it? Dual lithium-ion batteries give up to 700 watts of power. Fast and easy to fold and go. Maintenance-free non-pneumatic tires are rugged and durable. What we don't like about it? Somewhat pricey. Muted color schemes can be tough for passing motorists to see. Number 5. Evercross Electric Scooter. Most electric scooters can't claim to be fast, but the Evercross HB24 isn't like most electric scooters. This model is powered by a powerful 800 watts motor that propels it to its 28 miles per hour top speed and can conquer hills that have inclines of up to 40 degrees while carrying a maximum load of 330 pounds, making it a great option for larger adults. A high-capacity 48V battery gives the HB24 a range of up to 31 miles in specific conditions. What we like about it: fast top speed of 28 miles per hour. Maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds. Large tires provide a comfortable ride. What we don't like about it: not as easy to fold and transport as some other models. Colorful under-chassis lights might not be for everyone. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.